Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM from Ruined to Refreshed. PJ here. It's January 2023 and we're doing our first DMC challenge of the year, and this time it's any European vehicle. And I've decided to go with a little Matchbox car. It's a Porsche 928 which was made in Macau in 1979, and it has a Lufthansa on the side of it. We're going to give it a more modern colour, I think, and I may even spray the interior, we'll see. The weather's not really suitable just yet to be working in the workshop, hence the reason for doing a smaller vehicle, and I can get out on the backyard and quickly back inside again. So let's get the tools out and see what we can do with this one, and I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Matchbox Porsche 928, made in Macau from 1979. So what have we done with this one? Well, we've given it a new high coat silver titanium top coat and a gloss black chassis. I've also used Tamiya XF1 to give the tyres a more realistic rubber look and added Molotow chrome to the wheel hubs. The indicators and brake lights have been highlighted, and the whole thing gives it a more modern look, I think. And this is my contribution to the DMC Any European Challenge event. As always, I'd like to thank all the guys that have taken part in these challenges. The number of entrants is going from strength to strength, with amazing builds being submitted. So next month it's the Any Dinky Vehicle Challenge, and if you'd like to take part, why not come and find us on the DMC Facebook page. You can submit an image and it'll be included in our monthly event gallery on our DMC YouTube page. I think that pretty much covers everything, so this is PJ signing off till next time, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.